how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great Food. Today we're going to make this incredibly easy but absolutely delicious chicken and potato curry. We're going to have this curry done in 10 minutes. We're just going to chop all the ingredients, get it together, in the pot it goes, walk away. 10 minutes later you have an incredible tasty chicken curry. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're going to use for this, and this is all your hard work here. So 2 tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe tomato, 1 onion, 2 chicken breasts, decent sized ones, no skin, no bone, cut into kind of, you can see the size, nice little kind of pieces like that. 1 large potato, cut fairly small. Quite important to cut the potatoes small, you don't want it big, or it's not going to cook in the time that we want. Curry powder of your choice. If you want to know how to make curry powder, there's loads of links on our channel. In fact, I'll leave one at the end for you. There's 2 tablespoons there. Salt to taste. Fresh chili, as much or as little as you like. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. 1/4 cup of oil. Little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. This is amazingly simple. So we've got a mixing bowl, and I've got the 2 star of the shows in there, the chicken and the potatoes. We're going to add salt. We're going to add fresh chili, as much or as little as you like. We're going to add that onion, cut nice and small. We're going to get our curry powder in there, 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder. We're going to get a little bit of cilantro or coriander in there. We're going to go garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon. We're going to go 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. This is just to sort of bring it together and help it cook. And those tomatoes. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe tomatoes. Give that a mix. Okay, and there you go. Wonderful. Now, if you want, shrink wrap that, cling film it or plastic wrap it, stick it in the fridge overnight, let it do its thing, or like me today, let's get straight to the cooker. So what you're going to need for this is some sort of pot or wok and a lid. I've got the heat on medium heat. What we're going to do is drop the whole lot in. We're going to get a lid on this, and you're going to go and do something for about 10 minutes. No need to touch it at all. Come back in about 10 minutes, medium heat. Okay, off goes the heat. Are you ready? Bang. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Those potatoes are cooked just nicely now. That's why you need to cut the potatoes quite small. That is it. Get some rice ready. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Keep safe and lots of love.